Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a blocked game on Roblox. This issue usually happens due to parental control settings or corrupted local files, and we will fix it step by step. First, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. After that, locate Roblox, right-click on it, and choose End Task to make sure it is closed properly. Now, once done, open any browser you like and go to roblox.com. Make sure you sign in with your account, then go to Settings at the top right. From here, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on Content Maturity and make sure it is set appropriately, then save the changes. After that, close the browser and press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the Run dialog, type %local app data % and click OK. Then locate the temp folder and open it. Find the Roblox folder, select it, and press Shift+Delete on your keyboard, then confirm. After that, search for Roblox Player in the Windows search bar and click on Open File Location. Then right-click on Roblox Player and open the Properties panel. Go to Compatibility and enable Run this program in compatibility mode, then choose Windows 8. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Finally, restart your computer. Once your system restarts, open Roblox and try launching a game again. The blocked game issue should now be resolved. And that's it. We just learned how to fix a blocked game on Roblox by adjusting parental controls, deleting local files, and updating system permissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.